To do or to make, part 2. Let's go. You do a favor.
Could you do me a favor and proofread my essay before I can submit it?
Of course, I'd be happy to help. Just let me have a look.
Thanks, you are a lifesaver. I just want to make sure it's perfect. Don't mention it. Besides, we're here to help each other in this class, right?
You do a job.
I heard that you are good with graphic design. Can you do a job for our upcoming school event poster?
Sure, I'd be glad to help. What exactly do you need?
We need a vibrant design that captures the event's theme. Can you handle that?
Absolutely. I'll get creative and have it ready for you by the end of the week. You do exercise.
Hey, I've been thinking about getting into better shape.
That's a great idea. You should definitely start doing exercise regularly.
I'm just not sure where to begin.
No worries. I can help you create a workout plan. We can also do it together. You make a mistake.
I think I've made a mistake in the calculations for the budget report.
Don't worry about it. It could happen to anyone.
Yeah, but this might affect the final numbers significantly.
Let's review and rectify it together. I am sure we can find a solution. You make a promise.
I promise I will return your book by the end of the week.
Thanks, I really need it for my research.
You can count on me, I won't let you down. Besides, I made you a promise.
I appreciate it and I trust your word. And you make a suggestion.
So, what should we do for dinner tonight? Why don't we try the new Italian restaurant in town?
You know what? You've just made a great suggestion. I'm in the mood for some pasta.
Awesome. I've heard their pasta is delicioso.
You mean delicious?
Yeah.
So, now you know the difference between to do and to make. Like this video and share. And don't forget to follow for more. Until next time.